I've got my Scentsy whiff box. So if you want to see what's in this month's, the August collection, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now. Chloe is still at school and Bandit is in the other room. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So the Scentsy whiff box, you're going to get something different every month. You're going to get anything from wax melts to wax burners, usually smaller ones, the air diffusers, laundry supplies, cleaning supplies. This is a heavy one, so I'm thinking there's some cleaning supplies in here, but who knows? Let's see. They have some fabulous scents, and they've recently decided to branch out into candles. I know there's been some uproar about that with some of the sellers and customers because their whole thing about doing the wax melts was that it was pet safe and, safe with small children because there's no open flame. But I guess they decided to branch out to catch more customers, some who still like to burn candles. Not everybody has pets or small children. All right, out with the old, in with the new is what it says. Here is your sneak peek, and I definitely see some sort of cleaning supplies. I think maybe laundry. And this is going to have our wax bricks. I thought maybe I'd get like a candle because they were new. All right, so we have the washer whiffs in Magnolia Summer. These are the little pellets that you put in your wash to make your laundry smell nice. Oh, they smell quite nice. So just like the little downy ones, only different scents. And I believe, so these are made in Idaho. And I think they focus on more pet safe items. And then we have a bathroom cleaner in the scent Sun Drenched Cotton. Not going to take that out because that's going to come straight home with me, even though it does have a cap and I could put it back on. I don't want to lose this piece of it. So I know some of you may know this is my mom's house. I'm here during the week. Then I go home on the weekend. We're kind of working on getting our house ready to sell, and then we're going to combine both households. Just in case you're new and you're a little confused as to like, what do you mean home? Aren't you home now? In a way, yes, this is my legal residence because I'm here more than home. All right, we have 3 scent bricks. We have Frights and Delights. Oh, that's very pumpkin. Now they've also, I guess, changed their packaging, and it's going to have the scent notes on it, but that's not in the ones that we got today. And Emerald Pear Blossom. Oh, that's nice too. Better though. And White Oak Wonderland. Don't think I'm going to like that because I don't tend to like the more musky scents. It's all right. It smells kind of like root beer. Odd. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. But this one was definitely my favorite. All right. So that is my Scentsy whiff box. Let me know your thoughts. Which of these 3 scents would have been your favorite? We have the Frights and Delights, which is pumpkiny. We have this White Oak Woodland, which smells like root beer. And then this Emerald Pear Blossom, which does have some pear scent in it, but also has some sort of, I feel like it has some sort of musk in it underneath. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.